Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 5th, When the Twins Went to War. Fill in the blank with words from the play. First, in a tribe of Nanai, the Bailey clan loved to fight. Second, by the time they were 5 years old, the twins were wiser than anyone else in the village. Third, a Bailey hunter found that his weasel had been stolen. Fourth, the Baileys took a oath to not accept food or water from the Jaxulis. Fifth, the Bailey men came upon some women gathering berries. Fifth number, the Bailey men came upon some women carries berries. Sixth, the Jaxuli women beat up the Bailey warriors with their sticks. Then seventh, according to Chubak, when honor was at stake, men should not complain about hardship. Then answer the questions. Where was the home of the Bailey clan? And answer is in far Russia, the Amur River area was the home of Bailey clan. Then second, what did the Bailey clan neglect and why? The Bailey clan neglected their hunting and fishing because they were always ready to attack another clan's village. They sat around and waited for next war. Next question. Why did the Beldy chief's wife and other Beldy women go to the twins? The Beldy chief's wife and other Beldy women went to the twins to request them to avoid war with Jaksuli clan and told the Beldy men to stay home as they have had enough fighting and killing. Then next. What did Chubak say to the Jaksuli women? Chubak said to the Jaksuli women that they were coming to Jaksuli, they would defeat them all. Yes, they would defeat them all. Generation would remember the fight between the Beldes and the Jaksuli. Then fifth, why did the Jaksuli men hide when the Beldes reached their village? The Jaksuli men hid when the Beldes reached their village because they did not want to fight. They wanted to stay put till the warm rangering Beldes went home. Then next question, what gift did the twins ask for in order to bring back Beldes tribe's honor? The twins asked for the skin of the vessel in order to bring back the Beldes tribe's honor. Then vocabulary. कंप्लीट द क्रॉसवर्ड विद द एंटोनिम ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड्स. यहाँ पर देखो अक्रॉस और डाउन ऐसे वर्ड्स दिए हैं, वो आपको फिलअप करना है. सो फर्स्ट थर्ड वाला है, ठीक है. अक्रॉस क्या है? ये पनिश. इसका एंटोनिम क्या होगा? पार्डन. देन फिफ्थ डिफेट. इसका एंटोनिम क्या होगा? देखिए फिफ्थ नंबर विन. देन सेवन लक, मिसफॉर्चुनेट. एट अलाइव, डेड. देन डाउनवर्ड्स फर्स्ट नंबर देखिए कहाँ पे लिखा है? यस. इंसल्ट, praise, neglect, value. Then fourth, special, ordinary. Then sixth, won, lost. Then next question, write the sentences after correcting the errors in the degrees of comparison. जो अभी फर्स्ट सेंटेंस दिया है, डायमंड इज द हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस फाउंड ऑन इंडिया. तो ये कैसे हो जाएगा? डायमंड इज द हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस फाउंड ऑन इंडिया. Then next, the apples in the orchard were fresh and juicy. Juicy और हटा देना है वहाँ से. Then, this film is more interesting than that one. Fourth, Sneha has the best handwriting in the class. Then, Sachin Tendulkar is one of the most famous cricketers in the world. Then, sixth, the math problem is simpler than this math problem is simpler than the last one. Then fill in the blank with the given interjection. First, few. I finally found the book I had been looking for. Second, ouch. I hurt my knee on the edge of the table. Third, alas, the wise old man is no more. Then, hooray, we are going on a picnic.